Hey lovelies, and welcome to my channel. It's been a minute. Yes, I know. So yeah, if you're new to this channel, my name is Alexandra. So today's video we are going to do a short hair transformation. Yes, a really good transformation. As you can see, I cut some of my hair off and then I style it into like kind of a mini short hair. It's not totally short. There's like the sides are shorter than the top one, and I'll show you all the processes that I use to achieve this summary hairstyle on. And I think I'm loving the new short hair because it's make my face look quite fresh, you know. After doing the hairstyle immediately without even makeup, I look like, oh. So I think, yeah, it's time to let go my boring hairstyles, like all the relaxed hair and all the it's enough. So time to rock on some short hair. So yeah, let's dive right into the video.
Short hair, yeah, on it. Okay, so let's get on with it. So I undo my hair about 2 days ago from the braids that I did, and I washed it. I air dried it. That's why it's look like that. I just wrap it off after washing and went to sleep. It's been like that for some days now. That's why I look a bit like messed up. So that's what I'm doing now, just combing all through because I did not comb in after washing. So now it's all like, oh god, I don't know what to do. Okay, so let's get on with it now. I'm just using my hair straightener, that is the brush straightener, to just straighten the hair a bit for me to be able to cut it the way I want. That's why I'm straightening it first. So I think it's all done now. Well, let's get on with the cutting then. I wasn't so sure because I can't really see all the sides. So what I did is I wrapped the top one up and then I was cutting it like step each. So I took some of the sections off because it's quite a long video, so I just cut some of them off anyway. So yeah, as you can see, I'm cutting the hair off. As for the back, I cut a lot of them off, a lot to make that side really short. After that, I continued doing it sections. So what I did was I took the thing I used to hold my hair off and I was just separating the hair like bit by bit and then cutting them continuously. So I cut some of them already before showing this one. So that's how I look. I'm just like, you know, keep cutting it. Yeah, I just wanted to, the way I'm cutting, if you look properly, you can see that from the bottom is a bit short and the going up is a bit longer. So that's what I'm going for, so that it will all be like, you know, the way I wanted, the style I wanted. So I just comb all again after I finish everything and then just using my scissors again to make sure they are all like in a match. Girl is regretting cutting her hair? I have no idea. All right, so I'm just wrapping the whole, like the ones that are left in my hand, like I'm able to grab with, up again and then wrap it up. And I'm using my that's the hair cutter, I know, clippers, yeah, to just cut the ones around from the back. The one that I want to be a little bit more shorter, I cut them again with the clippers, and this is how it looks so far. That is the one I've gathered. The rest have disappeared. So these are the hair mousse and things I'm putting into the hair. I'm starting with the hair fertilizer, like condition the hair first, and then next I'm going to put in my hairstyling spray. I mixed this into a bottle. This I can't actually remember the name of it anyway. So after that, I comb the hair with my bigger comb, all of it like going back to make it easier for me to put the hair mousse and stuff into the hair. And this hair mousse, I'm using the olive oil one. I had it for a very long time, almost 2 years now, and it's finished. I never even knew that it really got finished in. So well, I'm continuing with this one. So that's the main one I use for the hair. This one I'm pressing into the hair now. So yeah, all done now. I'm just combing the hair again backward with my bigger comb. I think the hair at the top is a bit longer than I thought. Well, I'll manage it that way. So yeah, I'm just all brushing it to the side and continuing with the style. Yay! So what I'm planning to do is make sure the sides are sleek, like, you know, more smoother than before, and then put my scarf on it, wrap it around. So what I did, I wrapped this and went to bed. Actually, I slept. That's why when I woke up and I took the thing off, it looked a bit more messy because the wrapper was coming off a bit. But well, if you see me wearing the same shirt here, I just wanted to continue with the same, you know, like not to be changing outfits in the video. That's why I continue with the same thing anyway. So yeah, it all dried up the next day and I took it off and it looked really good. So after that, I put in my hair styling wax. You see it's really dry to hard. So I put in my hairstyling wax and then make sure it's all like spread into the whole hair, and then I brush it all up again with my bigger comb, because I put the hair mousse and stuff into the hair to make it smoother and sleek when I'm using the hair straightener. That's the main reason I use it. So these are the hair straighteners I'm going to use for the hair. So as I said, I use the comb to comb through, and it's really smooth. This hair is so soft and smooth. That's why I use the hair mousse. So now I'm just sectioning each by each, small with the comb, the tail comb, and then using the bigger hair straightener to do the frontal sides, because the hair there are longer than the sides. So I'm just going to continue this process bit by bit until the whole of the head finish. Yeah, I was cutting it bigger size, but then I realized it wasn't that smooth, so I just decided to do it like, you know, a little bit by bit to make it smoother. In that way the hair will appear like nicer. So yeah, that's what I'm still doing. I will cut it off a little bit to the side when I get to maybe the back or so that the video can go quick and it will not drag on and on and on. So yeah, the front, as you know, is always the easiest to do. When it gets to the back, sometimes it's a bit of a struggle. So to the middle, I'm still using the longer hair straightener because of the height of the hair or the length of the hair. Yeah, so that's why I'm still using that one. It makes the hair really nice then. So after that, I'm going to be using the smaller one at the sides of the hair, or when I'm going in, the shorter I get, then I will change the hair straightener to the smaller size. Yeah, the smaller size are better for very short hair. So that's the reason I'm using the two hair straighteners. So I'm almost there, getting to the very end, or the bottom part of the hair. Well, I'm still going to the side where I'm going to use the smaller hair straightener, because I think the hair at that side is a bit thin and I want it a little bit more curlier than the rest. I mean small curls. You see how that look? That's like a very small curl, very nice. So that's why I use that one for it. And then going to the side is going to be even shorter, as I said. So I'm going to be using the smaller hair straightener around all those sides until the end it finishes. And when it's getting to the very shorter hair, it becomes like a lot of, you know, struggle to hold. I mean, to grab with your hands. You see how hard it is for me to use my fingers to hold them. So I have to be careful when I'm doing that. And you know, turning around for the back, I'm not like, I was able to really turn for you to see what I was doing at the back, but anyway, it was good. And so I'm just using the hair straightener, shorter one at the side. As I said, I'm going to continue like, I mean, with smaller sections of hair. This hair straightener is small and it does a good job, but if you like separate or section the hair very thick, it will not do a good job for you. To just slide through without really like doing what you want. So just section it little by little and it will do a really great, beautiful job for you. See, it's curling the hair around and just smoothing it out as I want it. So I think I'm done now. Oh, yay! When I finish this hair, the whole of the back and the whole hair look as if it's some bit of a wig, but then, well, it's so really nice. I like it. My hair is really like thick. I don't know, the kind of really hair that I have, especially after cutting it, the ends of the hair is like very stiff and like tough. Yeah. So maybe, who knows, the next time I may end up really cutting the whole of the hair. I mean, even really shorter than this one to get a very shorter like PIXIE. Yeah, short PIXIE. So there we go, girls. There we go. Look at your girl. Yeah, I love this hairstyle. It makes me look so fresh and really cool. This look like my mom's wig. I love this hair. It's so beautiful. It's like so easy to wash when you go into the bathroom. You don't have to struggle with anything at all. Good for summer.
Well, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you did enjoy it and it has been helpful to you. If you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and you know I'm always in the comment sections to reply you. Thanks so much for your support and subscribing to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.